Alagang natural para sa bawat pamilya Pilipino. Maging malusog, mapagmalasakit, buhay na mas...
Araw ang digmaan. Umaga't gabi sumasabak sa laban. Dapat protektado ka outside at inside. Immune Advance contains 4 active ingredients gaya ng lagundi, malunggay, non-acidic vitamin C at zinc. Tulong pampatibay resistensya para tulong proteksyon. Isama pa ang proper diet at exercise. Para katawan ay handa, Immune Advance helps support a healthy immune system. Immune Advance ang sandata. No approved therapeutic claims. Ang Immune Advance ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Available in Shopee, Lazada, and other leading drug stores.
Hi! Good day, mga Katagumpay Channel at Alagang Natural. So finally, nag-open na ang ating Skin by Ben Xiao Shufu Herbal Restoration Medical Aesthetics Clinic. At ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, what is very unique about this clinic is that we only use herbal or plant-based products to treat your skin. What we want to do is to restore your skin immunity, to restore what was lost because you've tried so many things. Wala naman pong masama, no? Kasi kailangan gusto natin, we feel good and we see something good. But this type of skin management and modalities and techniques will only bring you something that will restore your skin to its glory days. Kumbaga, makita natin ulit na bumalik ulit yung natural natin na skin. Kasi kapag lagi natin itong ginagalaw, masyado ng maraming alterations, no? Isipin natin na meron tayong isang painting, no? At itong painting na to ay kailangan maganda pag nakita natin sa ating mga mata. Pero para ito gumanda, kailangan ang canvas nito ay talagang malinis. So, sa skin, medical aesthetics, ang ginagawa natin, ibinabalik natin ang natural na ganda ng inyong kutis. Of course, because there's a real doctor manning the clinic, so we go inside out, but only using natural herbal products para talagang healthy, para talagang para sa iyo, para talagang natural na alaga.
Alagang natural para sa bawat pamilya Pilipino. Maging malusog, mapagmalasakit, buhay na mas...
Ako po si Doc Engineer Arnold Divina.
At ako naman po si Aida Gonzalez and we are your hosts here on Tagumpay It's All Good.
Dito sa channel ito, we bring you real stories, inspiring journeys, and good vibes na siguradong magpapalakas ng inyong umaga.
Kaya naman, don't miss out. Follow and like us on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search Tagumpay It's All Good.
At syempre, share nyo na rin sa inyong pamilya, barkada at kapitbahay.
Let's spread good news, good vibes, and God's goodness. Dahil sa Tagumpay, it's all good!